I-check natin yung air ng car, guys. Pag gusto nyo malaman, okay. Pag gusto nyo malaman kung ilang PSI yung car mo, dito sa side niya, nandito nakalagay. 35 PSI. So, i-check natin each time.
That one's got 40 in it.
Ito, 40 daw. So, sobra siya. Pwede natin yung bawasan. So,
I'm going about 30. That's a little bit low.
So, this is 30?
Yeah. Not that low, just a little bit.
So, not too low. And this one.
About 32.
So they're still good, except the other one is kind of high. So I think they're good.
Yeah.
Okay, so yan lang guys. The car is still okay. Alright, ipasok na natin at papasok na tayo sa work.